Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Excel file is ready. Save as XLSX or CSV and place it where Looker Studio can access it. Once done, standardize headers and remove merged cells so fields map cleanly. Make sure columns contain consistent data types, dates, numbers, text, and trim extra sheets. If your sheet is huge, split it or export a sample. Looker Studio has performance limits. Now you're ready to add a new data source and choose the right connector. You now connect the file. Select Google Sheets if stored in Drive or use File Upload for CSV/XLSX or load into BigQuery for large data. When prompted, authorize access and select the specific sheet or table. Once connected, map each column to the proper field type and set aggregation behavior. If values need cleaning, add calculated fields or use data extracts to improve speed. Make sure to preview rows and test a quick chart. This confirms fields behave as expected before you build dashboards. You finish by building a couple of sample charts and applying filters to validate that metrics and dimensions return sensible results. Once satisfied, configure refresh frequency or set manual updates and confirm credentials will not expire. Make sure calculated fields and date ranges display correctly across widgets. If something breaks, reauthorize the connector, verify header consistency, and re-upload a trimmed sample. In short, validate visually, automate refreshes as needed, and fix schema mismatches if they recur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.